guys, we are here in Anápolis, Brazil, and I want to show you something that I find awesome, also pretty hilarious, and that has to do with this department store behind me. These department stores are all over Brazil, and I think it's so crazy that outside of each one of them that they build a Statue of Liberty. And when I say a Statue of Liberty, I don't mean this size Statue of Liberty. I mean a Statue of Liberty. Look at the size of this thing. Huge. When you pull into Anápolis, it like overpowers the skyline. It's part of the entire skyline. It's that big. I would say it's like a third, maybe 40% the size of the actual Statue of Liberty. And I just think it's so crazy that a department store are building these outside of every one of their stores. So anyway, I just thought it was awesome. Thought it would be something you guys would get a kick out of.